Right, there we go, people. So, Volkswagen T5, 2005, with a, don't know if you can see that, ASZ engine, pd130 in other words. Let's just get a bit of more work, but you can see the gap, plenty of room. Put a single fan on there. Just need to change the sump, oil pickup, and do a little mod on the front engine mount. Just got to grind the edge off. I have had it started. It's taking like 2 seconds to start because I pre-primed the pump. Obviously hooted a bit of smoke out because I don't know how long the engine's been out of the previous car. No lights up. There's no mods to the radiator, no movement forward, none of that malarkey. Just literally straight on in, job done, happy days.